Good day everyone, this is DOLA Graphics. Welcome to another section of our training. So today we are going to be starting our animation videos. So before you can be on this page, you should have opened your app, which is your Legend app. Now when you open your Legend app, you are going to see all these short animation pictures that you can use. So you can see there are different types. And before you can use it, you have to click on them first. That is to download it, just like this. You have to download the background image first before you can use it, and it is an ad working app, so it has to show ads before it can work. Good. Now the first thing to do, let's assume we are going to be using this. Let's assume we'll be using this for our design. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, you can see that it's already showing it here. Now you're going to click on edit animation. Now this is where you can change and edit things you want to do. Now you can see here in this style, that is, you can click on anyone to change the resolution of your text. You can see the way this one is coming out is different. This is your company present. You can see all these ones here. The way it is showing the name is different from the way it is showing the one that is above. So you can click on anyone to change the resolution of the name. Now the next one is intro. This one is going to change the way it moves. For example, if I click on this first one here, you see it's going to change. You can see that, and it will also change the what? Change the background. But I don't want that, so let's start editing again. So let's click on it again. Edit animation. Okay, now the next thing we should move to is our font. So you can click on any font you want to use. If you click on set, it's going to automatically change the font. Can you see that? Can you see that it has changed the font? You can click on another one too. Let's use another font. Okay, let's use this one. Set. So you can see that that's the work of the font. Now the text, this is where you can change what has been written inside. So you can type anything, any name, maybe the name of your company or the name of your school. You can just type it inside it. Now you can change this present as well to anything, but I'm going to leave it as present. Okay. Then this is the text size. This place below, you can use it to change the text size. You can see that if you continue to increase, you can see it's increasing. Then if you decrease it as well, you can see when I decrease it, the text size is changing. And the other one too, you can increase it and you can also decrease it. So that's how the text works. Now the color. When you click on any color, it will automatically change the background of that design you are making. So that's how the color works. So if you don't want to use an animation design from the Legend, you can just use a picture in the background. Then for this text, you can change the color. You can see in this side there is something looking like a color there. Okay. Now you can see this. That's the color. So both the name and the emblems and the present both has its own color. So when you click on it, you can see that it has brought out where you can change the color. So you can give it any color you want. So this is how to mix your color. You can use any one you want, or you can see some already here. So you can just click on the color you want. You can click on okay. You can see it has changed it. Same thing too for this. Just click on any one to change the color. Okay, you can see that. Good. So that's how that one works. Now background. The background is telling you that you can still change the background. Maybe you need from more download of background from the Legend app, or you can just pick beautiful pictures from your gallery to make your background work. Now this next one, which is animated, is also still talking about the background for you to download more pictures and images you can use for the background. Then the next one, which is settings. This customize size, which is the first one, is to increase the size of the text. You can see it as I'm increasing it, it is increasing the text size, and if I decrease it, it's going to also what? Reduce the text size. Good. Now this one is your shape color. You can change your shape color to any color you feel like. You can see that that one is already changed to black. Then I can still change it. I want to use something we can easily see. Okay, let's use this. Okay, you can see that that border sign has changed. Good, so that's how it works. Now if you don't want it to show at the center, maybe you want to move it, you can just easily do this to move it around the page. This is left and right movement. Then this one is to move it up, and this is to move it down. That's it. And this one, background opacity, this is going to reduce the brightness of the page. So that's how this side works. And now we have this place which is snow. This is to put in more animation. So when you click on it, you can see different things. So you can click on any one you like to put in any animation you want to make your design look more beautiful and attractive. Now to save, when you want to save your work, you click on this export here. You click on it. So when you click on it, you will see something below which is video resolution. So it's telling you to save in the resolution you want, maybe 500, 720, 1080. But this 1080 is the highest. It's going to make your video very clear. So it's advisable to save using that, but it's going to take more space. So when you click on it, it is going to automatically save it. So you can see it's already saving it. So it will tell you not to close the app. So you have to wait for it to save your video. So let's wait for that. So you can use it, this legend app, to create many videos. But for you to join the videos, that is not a big problem. We're going to be looking at that in the next class, in which we're going to be using the InShot app to join our videos together. But the work of this legend is just to create our short videos that we can use. Then the InShot is used to join or attach all videos together to form just one video. So let's wait for this to finish downloading.